Here is a Welly 124 scale BMW 335i. Looking for a year on this one. Does not have one. On the box. Nothing on the box. So, this BMW 335i is what we're going with. The hood does open on this one. Maybe. Get my finger under it. Anyway. Oh well. There we go. Certainly trust me on that one. The hood does open. The front doors open as well. Gotta be careful with this one. This, like I said, it is a Welly model. Wellys have a tendency to go ahead and put front windows in their cars. So you have a tendency to kind of pull on the mirror to open them. But as you can see, you can just don't pull it straight out. It'll be fine. Just kind of move it at an angle and it'll open right up. The trunk does not open on this one. Matter of fact, that screw probably needs to be tightened up just a little bit so that door stays shut a little better. So I'll take care of that. Already showed the hood open. Again, this one's very basic. Headlights, tail lights, front fog lights is all that was done to this one. Weird thing about this car, for some reason or other, it has steerable wheels, but for some reason or other, it does not want to roll very well. This was new in the box when you sent it to me too, so I don't know why it does that. I think it had the bands on it. Pretty sure it was still in the box when you guys, or I know it was in the box when you sent it to me, but I don't know why it won't roll properly. I messed with it for a little while and couldn't get it to straighten out, but anyway, hopefully it's for display. Once again, headlights, tail lights, front fog lights, all that was done to this one. Here's the main power switch. See those there? Fog lights on the bottom. And tail lights here on the rear. It does illuminate the entire lens. I said it before. The LEDs look just like a white point pretty much in the camera, but they do illuminate the entire lens. Once you'll be able to see it in person a lot better. Notice it there. Something else I was going to say about this: the battery. The only thing I don't like about Welly cars, you can see that there's a screw right here that mounts attaches the bottom of the car to the top. So it doesn't have any room at all, hardly, for a battery back there that's any kind of has any kind of poop to it, like a 9-volt. 9-volt will run these LEDs for a long time, but smaller batteries just don't seem to last very long at all. So with that in there, I had to cut a little bit of the back seat. You probably can't even tell. You can see the top of the battery there. I put some black on it so the battery wouldn't show up as much. It's an orange Duracell, so it showed up through the window. So I put a little tape on there. To change the battery on that, you just take these 3 screws out across the bottom, and then you can access the battery. It kind of slides up into the front seat, or into the rear seat area. But anyway, there you have it. Like I said, got it finished up, so it's ready to go as well. Thank you guys for the orders.